Hello everyone, it's Miss Jackie and I'm here to show you week 7's craft. And we still have more crafts if you want to come by and pick them up from the previous weeks. And with that, I'm going to get started on week 7's. So week 7's is DIY forest. So you'll get your instructions and you'll get 5 different trees. 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'll also get these paper tube rings, and they're going to be pre-slit like this. So the first thing you'll do is color your trees, and then you're going to cut them out, and then you're going to leave actually a little bit of length underneath your tree, and I'm going to show you how then you'll put them in so you can make them stand up like a forest. So you'll leave about this much left after your coloring, and then you're kind of going to line them up with the slits on the side and then determine if you need to cut off a little more length or not. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off a little more on the bottom right here, and then I'm going to line up with my slits right here, and notice that they go over a little bit on the side, so I'm just going to make, you don't have to be too accurate to be honest, but a little bit up there, and then I'm going to carefully just kind of slide them in. Ooh. Like that, so they can stand up. There's one side, there's another. So they'll fit in like that. Kind of bend it in so you'll get trees that stand up like that. So, and I have actually my trees prepared, so I'm gonna stand my trees up. This is kind of what it's gonna look like in the end. You'll have your own little forest, and you'll stand them up however you want, and you can play with your Legos or little dolls or however you want. Sometimes the trees, you'll have to bend them just a little bit, or the little bit of rolls, but then you can stagger them however you want to make your forest. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time. And before you leave, I'm gonna give you your code, and it is WOODS, WOODS. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.